Hello, beautiful people. I am happy to have you with me today. On today's video, I'm not sharing the usual thing. I want to share with you my NYSC experience. Okay. By the grace of God, I passed out from NYSC on the 2nd of February 2022. And I just thought to share my experience with you all. Okay. I mean, you're going to learn quite a lot from my experience. So please watch this video and share with your friends and loved ones also. So I was posted to Akwa Ibom State, South Side Nigeria, and then I went to the camp. The camp is at Nsiratai. I hope I got that right. So I spent 2 nights in camp actually, and the reason is because I am married and I have a child also. So I got instantly relocated to Port Harcourt. Yeah, Port Harcourt is where we stay. Yeah. So when I came back to Port Harcourt to River State, I could not do my documentation. The thing was that I was 22 batch A stream 1. So I had to wait for batch A stream 2 to get into camp and come out before I could do my documentation. So I stayed home for like over a month or so for batch A stream 2 to leave camp. So after batch A stream 2 leave camp, I then went to the NYSC Secretariat in River State, that's my one, to start off my documentation. And then I was posted to Port Harcourt local government area, Falga. So after everything, with my here is when I was this is where I won my khaki for the very first time. Excuse me. Yes, since I did not stay in camp for training, I never wore khaki during the camp, that 3 period. But here, I wore it here for the very first time. Although it felt a bit uncomfortable, but it became better as time went by. So I got posted to a school, Amadiama Secondary School. It's a government school, a community school. So and then I got my CDS also. Servicom was my CDS group. So yes. So by the time that I got posted to that Amadi Secondary School, it was like ending of second term already. So I had to wait for the school to resume third term before I could, get there and then kick off properly. So by May of 2022 was like third term beginning. So this is my child that I spoke about earlier on. So this is May when I was about to begin the third term in my school. So I had to enroll my boy into a school, a lovely school, around the place where I taught. Yes. So when I got to the Amadi school where I was assigned to, I was given GS3 and I taught them mathematics. Yeah, I'm good in math, so I decided to teach math. So yeah, that was it. So the journey was going very smoothly. But one thing I want to tell you is that NYSC comes with a lot of opportunities. Okay, it comes with so much opportunities, and there are a lot of activities that are lined up for core members. So here I had my convocation somewhere in the ending of 2022. Although I finished from Uniport 2019, but it took the school 3 years to organize a convocation. So yes, like I was saying, NYSC has a lot of activities, social activities that helps you to engage with other core members, make friends, make connections, and all of that. I mean, we need these connections, we need this friendship. So do well to make new friends, meaningful friendships, okay, when you're doing your NYSC. They will help you. Although I'm not so much of a social type, but yeah, I had a few friends around me. Another thing that I gained from NYSC is that through NYSC, I was able to achieve my HSC certification. So I got my HSC 1, 2, 3, I got my first aid, and I also got my EIA, Environmental Impact Assessment, through NYSC for a small amount of 20,500 naira. Now, ordinarily, these courses will cost like 70k alone for HSC in River State at that time. Okay, but through NYSC I got all of these for 20,500 naira. And I also was able to, through Sahid NYSC, I was able to enroll in a physical skill acquisition, which I said to go for shoemaking. There was a lot others, photography, painting, sculpting, production, but I decided to go for shoemaking. Although I did not complete the class because somewhere along the line I just knew that I'm not called to make shoes like that line is not for me, so I have to stop along the line. But the point is that I had a chance to learn, okay, to learn other amazing things. And now you are going to pay, like, I mean, when I did this shoemaking stuff, the fee was 25K for material and training for a period of 3 months. Now ordinarily this guy, this our teacher, charges 70K for that 3 months, but since we came through Sahid NYSC, it took 25K for that 3 months. So my point is that during NYSC there are going to be a lot of opportunities for you to learn stuff, physical stuff and professional stuff. So make use of any chance you get. I know that the salary is not that much, and then if you compare the price of the price you have to pay with your salary, you might feel a bit discouraged. Okay, but you should also know that after the NYSC you will pay like times 4 of that price to get those trainings. So why not make the attempt to get those trainings cheaper? And also, since you have some few times some spare time to get those training, and then when you're done with your NYSC, you're going to come out prepared for the labor market, as they call it. So chances will come for you to get trained. If you wish to go into the corporate world, you have to take chances when they come to enroll yourself in any of those professional classes or professional trainings. Human resource, HSC, quality control, a lot of them will come at very cheap prices. So you have to take advantage of those chances when they come. And also, if it's a physical skill that you need, also take the chance to do it during your NYSC. I mean, you cannot start planning for post NYSC life after you've left NYSC. Okay, you have to start to plan for post NYSC life while you're still in the NYSC. That way it makes it easier for you, and then when you leave the NYSC you're already prepared to face the outside world and then make the best of your life. Okay, so yes, make friends, have good connections, learn from people here, learn a lot, learn with every chance you get, because you never know when you need that knowledge for anything at all. Okay, so yeah, this is my advice for anyone that is serving or that wants to serve. Please make the best use of this NYSC period. Okay, so please, if you're new to my channel, do it to subscribe and follow me for more. Okay, I mean, I teach a lot of things in this channel. Please share this video, leave a comment for me. Okay, so I'll be seeing you soon in my next video. Okay, so take care, have a great day, stay safe, and remember to learn with every chance you get. Learn, learn and learn. God bless us all. See you in the next video. Bye.